This is the cello part to El Toro. We are in the key of G major because we have one sharp, and we also have 3 beats to a measure, and each quarter note gets 1 beat. This goes by really quickly, and there are a few roadmap things we need to look at. Number 1, so we start at the beginning, and we get all the way through to measure 64. Then at measure 64 on the second page, it says D-C al coda. D-C al coda stands for da capo, which means to the top or to the head. And then it says, once you get to the coda sign, you have to go to the coda. So, after you play measure 64, you go all the way back to the beginning, no stopping. You play the beginning all the way up to the end of the first line on the second page, measure 44. You play measure 44, then it says to coda. So you skip from 44 to 65, and you play from 65 to the end. Now, I have my metronome here set to 160. Each one of these ticks is 1 quarter note. Here we go. One, two, three. This note while the violin solo is playing. Then we stop. Everybody else holds this next note. And then there is a solo cello, which sounds like this. I'm going to turn off the metronome because it is not in the same tempo. It's very free. And then everybody comes in at 57 very slowly at first, and then we speed up. One. With no stop. Okay, and when you go from measure 44 all the way to 65, there's no stop like I just did.